Ahead of a code orange snowstorm expected in the Friesland region of the Netherlands, supermarkets saw a surge in shopping activity. Sales reportedly exceeded even the Christmas period. On Thursday, many stores were left with empty shelves, with particularly high demand for toilet paper and canned goods. Experts stressed that panic buying is unnecessary, noting that supermarkets receive daily deliveries. The Dutch Weather Institute KNMI warned that up to 15 centimeters of snow could fall in Friesland and surrounding areas, while the rest of the country remains under a code yellow warning due to icy conditions.